What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for episode 3. So I'm really excited about this, man. You guys rock, honestly. I appreciate all the love and support I get. But yeah, guys, today is currently Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to all you guys watching. I hope you enjoy it with your friends and family. I'm trying to put out 2 videos a week. I couldn't put one out at the beginning of this week just because I'm rushing to get home for the holidays, and we are here. We're at home, so we made it. So today I'm currently going to take you guys with me. I'm going to go pick up Purple Rain at the yard. We're going to bring her back to my house over here so I can run some maintenance through her. I am going to slip plate the rails just to get rid of the surface rust. As you guys know, that I've been working up there in Wisconsin and Michigan. It's currently snowing. You know, there's a lot of salt on the roads. So it's been, you know, it's been getting a little bit of surface rust. So I want to clean that out before I head back up there. I actually want to try to wash her if I can. I have to have this finished before dinner. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we just got to the yard now. So before I fire her up, I want to run some things by you guys. Earlier in the video, I was talking about surface rust and slip plate and all that stuff. Maybe some of you guys don't know what that is, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so if you see this rail right here, this is a dry lubricant, right? This is where your rail slides up and down on. So this is my number 2 deck. The deck slides up and down that rail. All right, and you can see here there's some surface rust. All right, there's some surface rust over here on this rail right here. This rail slides in and out of this post right here. So I usually try to maintenance that. Winter is really brutal on these trucks. All right, this is not just load cars and go. When you're working in the winter time, you usually try to do it at least once a month, you know, just so the rails don't get stuck. Because the problem is that when you're loading cars up here and the rails look like that, your rails are getting stuck. You know, they're just bouncing, boom, 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 and you don't want that happening. So some of you guys know that I live in Florida and it's warm down here, and I have the opportunity to do this. All right, because you do not want to do this in 20-degree weather. So I mentioned in my last video, this is a brand new trailer, right? So I mean, it's probably pulled 3 loads since I've had it. And you can see here it had surface rust. All right, you can see that over here. Look at that, has surface rust. So what I try to do is while I'm at home, I try to maintenance it, try to repaint all the rails with slip plate. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. There's different ways of doing it. I'm sure I'm gonna get comments and stuff, you know, of people saying, hey, you know, I do it this way or whatever. That's fine. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and how it gets done. So yeah, I'm gonna fire her up, and I'll see you guys back at my place. All right, guys, welcome back. We are back at my place. All right, so as you can see here, we got Purple Rain. All right, we are gonna start the process in slip plating. I kind of already started. I raised my decks all the way up just because I like starting from top to bottom on the rails. So as you can see here, what I'll do is I'll start painting from here all the way down, and then I can't get behind this yet because that's in the way. So what I'll do is I'll wait for this to dry out, then I'll bring this deck all the way down and I'll get behind this. All right, so I'm gonna run you guys through what I'm doing. There might be some time lapse or whatever, but I'm sure you guys are gonna learn a little bit today. So you see this right here, a little bit of surface rust there. I'll show you guys back here. So I got this deck all the way out, slid out down here. I don't know, man, it's kind of hard to see, but this has a lot of surface rust. Okay, all right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start the process now. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I'm gonna be using for this. This right here is called Easy Slide. There's different products. There's a slip plate, there's slide and glide. To me, they all work the same. They all do a great job. So this is what we got now, and this is what we're gonna work with. You need a flathead screwdriver to pop your can open, a dirty rag just in case you get any drips or whatever, you want to clean them up, a stir stick, and an old pair of socks. All right, and people are gonna look at me crazy. Some of you guys that haul cars and have done this before, I use a pair of old socks. All right, and I'm gonna show you why. All right, you're gonna need a pair of latex gloves because you're gonna be using this sock right here. You're gonna slide this sock over your hand here. All right, and I'm gonna show you why I prefer using an old sock. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I'm just gonna dip my hand in here. All right, just a tip, and we are gonna go up and down. As you can see, there's surface rust right here. Just want to get all that. Let's scrub into it. Just keep dipping. Just get the tip wet right here. Go up and down, up and down. And you can see the surface rust is all gone. All right, you still got a little bit down here. Just want to go up and down, up and down. So the reason why I use the sock, all right, is because with the sock, you can get into tight places. All right, you can get into real good. With a brush or a roller, it's going to be a little more difficult. So for example, if you want to get between this cylinder and that with a brush, is not easy. So with your hand, you're going to get in here and you're just going to go in here like this. See, way easier, less of a mess. Just go up and down just like that. All right, you'll see this right here has a little bit of surface rust, so we'll go in here, just scrub it, and you'd be surprised how much this helps. You see that? Look at that. Let's go compare that to the other side. All right, look at this side. Look at that. So we just got to continue doing that throughout the whole truck. How to get that one right there, all these on the trailer, that right there, this one, these right here, you can see that. Look at that. So I mean, it takes a little bit of time. You'll be done probably about, it'll probably take about an hour or so on a quick loader setup, about an hour on a high rail. I don't know, man. High rails are pretty difficult. You'd probably take on a high rail, I'd say 3 hours if you do it. I mean, if you're doing it right and you're getting into all those tight spots and stuff. You see, like I said, I'm a perfectionist, man. I like everything to look perfect. I want everything to look good. I want everything to work properly. So I just try to get it done right the first time. So I gotta get in here, see, with the brush and roller, you can't get in there properly. So with the sock, you can get in there right. All right, guys, we are back, and we mostly have it all knocked out of the park. So I want to show you something. You come over here. So remember how this rail had so much surface rust? Look at it right now. Look how smooth that thing looks. Real smooth, no rust, nothing. So that means this number 2 deck right here, it's gonna go up and down real nicely. We still have a few more stuff to hit, nothing crazy. I gotta hit this bridge right here. It has a little bit of surface rust, nothing crazy. So this bridge is the one that comes out of the trailer and meets the truck. This is how you get your cars across from the trailer over to the truck. That's how you put your car over the hood. That's how you put your car number 2 and your car behind the bunk. All right, with this bridge right here. But yeah, we mostly got it all knocked out of the park. It's looking good. Look at this one right here. Remember, it had a lot of surface rust. It's nice and smooth. That noise you hear in the background is my wife over there. She's over there pressure cleaning the house. And I got the kids back there riding the 4-wheeler. I'm over here doing my thing. This one right here was really bad, but we got it all cleaned up. Look how smooth that thing looks. But yeah, everything's gonna work properly. There's no decks that are gonna get stuck or anything like that. Yeah, guys, I mean, it's a little process. It took me about like an hour and a half, you know, stopping to get a drink of water and stuff. It's pretty hot out here in Florida right now. So but yeah, guys, I was gonna wash the truck and spray it down with some water. I think I'm not gonna have enough time to do that, just because it's Thanksgiving. I'm trying to go out to dinner with the family. You know, I gotta have me some turkey, mashed potatoes and gravy, mac and cheese, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your boy. Help your boy out. I'm out here doing this for you guys. All right, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.